Quite often when people encounter a new technological device or interface, you hear them saying, "This is cool." But what do they really mean when they say cool? Do they mean that it is trendy, hip, stylish? We decided to find out with a formal study. We first performed a literature search to understand the meaning of coolness, and then asked users in the US, South Korea, and China to rate the coolness of various technological products. According to scholars, one attribute of coolness is uniqueness, which indicates the degree to which users perceive that a product is substantively or cosmetically different from other products in the same category. Attractiveness is another important aspect of coolness, which focuses on the aesthetic nature of a product and a socially accepted notion of style. In the literature, coolness is often associated with going against the mainstream. Using cool products tend to give their users a subcultural identity so that they can express their individuality and stand apart from the crowd. Coolness is also associated with genuineness, referring to the authenticity of the product, attention to detail, and a sincere desire on the part of the designers to help the user. A total of 35 self-report items capturing the 4 aspects of coolness were developed by our team. Respondents of an online survey rated one of 14 products on 5-point Likert scales. Exploratory factor analysis yielded 4 factors, which were labeled as appearance, subculture, utility, and negative items, respectively. Although the results were not fully consistent with the proposed conceptual components, these factors did align in a way that provides insights into user perception of digital devices. We conducted a second study in order to improve upon the measures used in Study 1 and confirm the factor structure that emerged. We added some new measures and tested them on a larger sample. Participants were assigned to evaluate a product on a series of 23 9-point Likert scales. A confirmatory factor analysis testing the 4-factor structure consisting of subculture, attractiveness, utility, and originality indicated a good overall fit. Moreover, a multiple group test that compared Korean sample with US sample indicated that coolness is culturally invariant at both the measurement level and the structural level. However, one missing element of the study is, how do we know that these 4 attributes are about coolness and not some generalized overall perception of technological products? So we conducted a third study in which a holistic coolness scale capturing a general notion of coolness was developed with 9 items that had the word cool in them. Items such as, "It's cool how this product works," and "This product has some cool features." These 9 holistic measures were administered to participants in addition to the measures from Study 2 relating to the 4 factors of coolness. The reflective 19-item second-order latent model of coolness was covariate with a new latent variable made up of the 9 holistic items. The model indicated a strong relationship between the 2 sets of coolness measures. Descriptive statistics indicated that products that are generally thought of as cool were rated high on the holistic measure as well as the subconcepts, while products that are generally thought of as uncool were rated low. In the final analysis, utility dropped out of the model, yielding a parsimonious 3-factor solution. Overall, the current study found that attractiveness, originality, and subcultural appeal constitute the core perception of coolness in technological products. This structure appears to be universal and sheds light into the theoretical mechanism underlying the halo effect of coolness as hypothesized by, for example, the coolness heuristic in the main model. The study provides a set of validated measures for tapping into both the holistic notion of coolness and the 3 subcomponents of coolness. This study provides guidelines to designers and researchers for evaluating coolness in technological products. Designers can use coolness as a measurable criterion in formative evaluations, and user experience researchers can assess how coolness can enhance the appeal of technological products.